Hi viewers, today I'm going to do unboxing and quick overview of Omron Evolv blood pressure monitor. This is the upper arm blood pressure monitor. This is compatible with making the reading, or you can store the readings on your smartphone. It's a Bluetooth connected. Even it does have an app, so you can record all your readings to check the progress, whether your pressure is getting better or worse. So that's you can do. It's a single piece design. There is no external like the traditional one. So let's unbox and see what we have inside. Okay, you've got the batteries, and you've got the blood pressure monitor. That's all you got. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so there you go. You have a couple of manuals and the blood pressure monitor. So this is how it looks. I think this is the display. So there is a quick start guide you have. So it shows how to install the batteries, how to set up. So first you need to put the batteries in. Downloading the app is optional, I think. You can download this Omron Healthcare app, which can connect to the blood pressure monitor. Once you take the reading, you can see the readings on your phone. You look at it, it's the Velcro type. It's a pretty flexible. I think this is the portion where it goes into your arm. Okay, let's see, where is the battery? Okay, here it is. This. Here is the battery. And just remove this. Okay, so I have placed the battery inside now. So to wear on your hand, just unwrap this. And this is little flexible, so put your hand inside. Just push it a little bit above your elbow, tie it, and make sure this comes facing front. So let me adjust that a little bit. Come on. Okay, so tie it. So you can press the start or stop. Okay, so I started it. You can see it's reading. So I was moving, so it's giving some error here. So it's not taking the measurement. It's saying error 4. Do not move or talk for the measurement. Okay. So what I will do is I'll sit down and make the measurements, and let's see how it behaves. Okay. So the measurement is done. So it shows whatever it is, your pulse, your higher and lower limit, everything. If you want to transfer this to your phone, I'll show you how to do that. So this is the app you need to download. So I already downloaded and registered myself. Let me open that. So in that it shows how to wear the device. So let me start how we can pair this. So what you have to do is go to the syncing, and you have options for connected device, then press add a device. So it's not showing that here, but let me try. All Omron. Next pairing is turned off and placed close to this. Okay, so we have to turn the device off and then press this arrow button for 3 to 5 seconds. So it's in the pairing mode now. Okay, so you can see the P is blinking. Next, so it shows this Evolv BP 7000. It's pairing now. So allow your phone to pair. Got it. So it's paired now. So I just did one more measurement. Let me show you what's showing on the device. So on the device you can see 134.97 and pulse 86. It's been synced here. So here you can record all the blood pressure measurements. Each time when you do, it will be automatically synced to your phone, so you can compare whether your blood pressure is getting better or not. So again, this is Omron Evolv upper arm blood pressure monitor, where it has a feature of connecting this device to your phone and sync all the data which is measured through the blood pressure monitor. This is of cost $67 in Amazon. If you have a HSA or FSA card, you can use that money to buy this. And if you guys have any questions or anything, just post it in the comments. I will respond as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.